Hi, I'm Dawn Parmley. I'm the lab assisting instructor here at Willow Canyon High School. Lab assisting is a 2-year class designed for upperclassmen, so juniors and seniors. They also have the opportunity to do an internship. We're getting them out in businesses, shadowing and doing some volunteer work so they get a better idea of the lab assisting field. We also have Health Occupation Students of America, or HOSA, which is our club that complements our programs as well. They can learn leadership skills and get into competitions and networking, not just around the state or the nation, but even around the world. So those are some of the opportunities that do come along with our allied health track. Now we have several things we talk about lab assisting. These are some of the topics that we do address. Most of them involve labs, so if you want to follow me into the lab, we'll get a better idea of some of the things that we do over here. Now, while most of the time our specimen that we work with is blood, we do have a urinalysis unit where we take some urine samples and we do a simple dipstick test. We have a CPR unit at all 3 levels for adult, child, and infant, and we are certified AED as well. That would be senior year. We do dermal punctures or skin punctures. We learn the concept of poking neonates or babies' feet. We do finger punctures, collect some capillary bloods. With that unit, we do a blood typing kit, so each student will learn what blood type they are. And we do blood smears. Well, we'll stain our blood and look at it in an oil immersion microscope where we can see our own red blood cells and our white blood cells and platelets, and it's interesting for the students to see their own cells under a microscope. Probably the biggest part of our class, however, is doing a venipuncture. So we learn how to handle equipment and needles and the technique that's involved, how to work with the different setups. We practice with flats, and then we graduate to our fake arms that are hooked up to IV bags so the students will actually have the experience of drawing fluids. And then we go to our live patients and we go for numbers to earn our certification. We learn butterflies and we learn syringes, so we do all kinds of different systems here in lab assisting. Then we also do some processing of our blood in the centrifuge and learn that concept of separating of the blood. Probably the most extraordinary part of the class is the fact that when they're seniors and they've met the qualifications, they will do a national exam, and when they pass that national exam, they're certified across the nation. So right after high school, they're ready to go out and start their career, whether it be part-time while they're going to school or full-time in a career. So amazing opportunities here, something very unique. If you'd like to learn more about it, definitely visit our website, talk to Willow Canyon's counselors, me directly, but I do look forward to seeing you down the road in lab assisting.